this is semi-final 4, Vantastic 2021, NZ Racing. What have we got in tonight's lineup?
Yeah, good evening once again. Hey look, we've got 4 very well known and respected builders and drivers all competing for 2 spots tonight. It's going to be epic.
Excellent, let's have a look at them.
First up is Blue Line Racing. He's come from a very well established drag track up there in the USA, all the way down under to Shorty in his Suburban 60. And let's not forget Variant Skunkworks beside him, who has dominated this track a few times. Let's see if he can repeat his form in the Outback Cadillac.
Next up, we have Scorpio Love Smith in Free Hug Fridays, driving for Team 100 Proof Racing. And taking up the last position tonight is the builder Rust Belt Racing. Matthew Devers is behind the wheel of the Marvin van, the Hot Wheels van, weighing 98 grams.
Interesting fact, Scorpio Love Smith was the first ever driver for NZ Racing. True story. So let's go racing and see how he does tonight.
Another great night of racing here on Shorty in Vantastic 2021. Semi-final 4, 2 vans go through and 2 unfortunately leave the competition.
Congratulations to Blue Line Racing in the Suburban 60. I love those wheels. And to Scorpio Love Smith from 100 Proof Racing, you're all off to the finals.
Okay, NZ, what's your highlight for tonight, mate?
The award for the most aggressive driver of this tournament so far has to go to Matty Devers from Rust Belt Racing tonight. No one was safe. I mean, come on. Race 1 took out Blue Line. Race 2 hit Variant Skunkworks. Race 3 gave Scorpio a love tap. Race 4 spun a few out and squeaked through for a third. Brilliant.
Just before we go tonight, I just want to make mention of the time. Scorpio Love Smith driving for 100 Proof Racing. Look at that, a 6.600. Well done and congratulations. Until next time, good night from myself and NZ. We'll see you back here in semi-final 5.